What's up, YouTube? So your girl wanted to make some sugar cookies. Here are all of the ingredients that I used, and I'm gonna walk you step by step on what I did to make these delicious cookies. So to make the flax egg, you wanna go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of flaxseed along with 3 tablespoons of water. Go ahead and put that in like a little container, and then you wanna go ahead and stir that up. And you'll end up setting it to the side for 5 minutes to wait for it to kind of get thick and like a gel-like substance. So the next step, while that's waiting, I'll go ahead and add a cup of sugar, a 1/3 cup of brown sugar, and a 1/2 cup of room temp butter. Go ahead and give that a good mix with a hand mixer or whatever you have on hand. You want to do this until everything is combined, light and fluffy, like so. And so the next thing you want to do is add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So once you go ahead and add that to the bowl, you want to go ahead and give everything, add the flax egg. And now you want to go ahead and give everything another good mixing with your hand mixer. Make sure everything is well combined. And so the next step you want to do is add a cup of flour. You want to add 1 cup of flour as well as 2 tablespoons of flour on top of that. So once you add those tablespoons of flour, you want to add in a teaspoon of baking powder. Give everything a good mix. And you guys, since this is a vegan cookie dough, and this is my first time making it, the dough doesn't come out as thick and sticky as, you know, a non-vegan cookie dough. It's still pretty soft. Not as soft as cake batter, but still pretty soft. And so what you see here is me adding in the pink sugar flakes. And I went ahead and mixed that in very well. And it's so pretty, and y'all, I had to taste the cookie dough before I baked it, and it was so good. So this is what you'll have, and then you want to go ahead and place this cookie dough into the fridge for 30 minutes and let it cool. And so you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350. And when it's time, you'll go ahead and take the cookies out the fridge. 30 minutes later, in a separate bowl, I added extra pink sugar flakes, because as you roll out the cookie dough balls, you want to roll it in the sugar as well to get that nice pink sugary flavor and color and all of that goodness onto your cookie. So you want to go ahead and do that for the entire bowl of cookie dough. And it should yield about a dozen cookies. You know, it's starting to get a little bit smaller towards the end, the cookie balls, but I wanted 12, so I stretched it. So there you go. I have a pan, a pre-layered pan with parchment paper, and you put the dough balls on that. Go ahead and put that in the oven. And these only have to bake for about 14 minutes. So I went ahead and set the timer for 14 minutes. And when that was through, you guys, we came out with some delicious vegan pink sugar cookies. I enjoyed them. As you can see, in honor for Christmas in July, I had on my Santa oven mitts. I enjoyed the cookies. My boyfriend enjoyed the cookies. You know, we both had a sweet tooth, and I've never made homemade vegan sugar cookies before. So this was a fun little late night treat for us. And I hope you all will give the recipe a try. I believe you will enjoy them. Your kids will enjoy them, vegan or not. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Go ahead and give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. If you try the recipe, let me know what you think in the comments, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Thank you very much.